Before we get started, we're gonna lotion our hands so that they don't look super dry. We're gonna keep moving forward because I have a lot to get done today. Like a lot. I still need to edit some videos for you so that you can get whatever video is coming out today. It's gonna be on Pinterest. And if you haven't seen the Pinterest series, definitely check it out, because I walk you step by step through the things you need to know for Pinterest, especially if you're starting out. So, I usually start my photo shoot with pulling the stickers out of the packaging. I think it just looks really nice to show kind of how they arrive, how they show up. So, and all the stuff I'm doing here, kind of so that you know, all the stuff I'm doing here I am filming, so I may end up using some clips from the overhead shot that I see here because I'm moving things around, I'm using my hands, and I just like the way hands look. I love how, not hands look, how arranging things with my hands look. Obviously I'm a handmade business and I love touching things, feeling things, so that's part of the process too. There is the Kate collection, officially starting now. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to show me kind of taking the stickers out of the packaging here. I'm going to fold this so you can still see Kate collection on the screen. Pull this off and kind of set these down. And my stomach is growling, so it's a good thing you won't be able to hear any of this for the video I'm showing to my lovelies. Probably should have eaten breakfast before starting. Okay, so that's what you get in the collection, the complete kit, the Celebrate kit. We're gonna move that over a bit. Put Kate collection there and move this over a bit. And I'm not even sure if I'm gonna use these videos, but I never know what is gonna turn out in the nicest when I'm done. So we're just gonna keep placing them, and there we go. So it's a big pile of stickers. Now, what I wanna do is kind of arrange things. I think this will make for a good photo. So now I'm grabbing this camera here, and we're gonna start taking some photos of this.